Hey guys, welcome back to PrayShopCruise. My name is Itiri. I am doing some more Christmas in July videos. Today we're going to be unboxing this self-care stationery advent calendar from Hubman Chubgirl. The reason this is a part of Christmas in July is because I ordered this after Christmas and it came after the New Year, I believe, and it was a late Christmas present to myself. And Advent calendars are really fun because you can open a present every day. This one is not Christmas themed, it's self-care themed. And when you look at the Hubman Chubgirl like YouTube videos or whatever, when she unboxes this, she tells you that you can choose a little present to open anytime to brighten your day, brighten your spirits. It doesn't matter what time of year it is. So these are pretty big, and Hubman Chubgirl is top tier as far as their stickers and things. Made in China. So this box is gorgeous. I'm gonna move the lid here, and I just want to show you high up what this looks like. Okay, these are all the things in here, and I'm gonna take them out one by one and show you. Okay, I'm not going to go in order. I'm just going to show you what's in the box, and there may be some of these still online. I don't know if she'll come out with new advent calendars because I think she was going to slow down on making some of the non-sticker stuff based on the emails and things that I've been reading. But this is day 7. Let's grow together. As you can see, it's very plant themed, plants, succulents, cacti, all the things that I like. And this is her, in my opinion, iconic drawings, her iconic faces. And the packaging is just stunning. So let's see, there's some tape here. So we're going to get out our crafty, handy dandy. What am I trying to say? Oh no, there's no tape there. It's opening right there. I was about to cut something I shouldn't have cut. I was going to say our handy dandy Cricut, but I don't need it. Oh. Ooh, excuse me. Day 7 looks like a sticker binder. And these advent calendars are very expensive, but they're very worth it if you can catch one by her. Okay. Okay, so it's not a sticker binder. You can put her sticker sheets in this, but you can also use this as a planner binder. This is really pretty. Hubman Chubgirl. I really love how this looks. So I have some pre-punched paper that I can use in that. It's a great travel notebook if you wanted to use it as a travel notebook as well. So let's just grab what we want. Doesn't matter the number. Day 5. Oh, see, I hadn't watched the unboxing video for this in a while, so I'm surprised with everything because I don't remember everything that's in it. Oh, this is neat. This is a cup holder. This is a cup holder. And I think it comes up. Yeah. Look at that. That is really dope. That is really dope. Now with Hubman Chubgirl advent calendars, you do get your money's worth. Unlike that Hello Kitty mess we unboxed, you do get your money's worth with Hubman Chubgirl. So I'll have to set everything we got out when this is over. Let's do number 3. I love opening presents. You guys know this. You guys know I love opening things. And I love showing you guys things. It's kind of what I do. Stamps and an ink pad. I'm not going to open this because we can clearly see the stamps. And it looks like it's brown ink from my natural eye looking at this. Very cute. I love it. Stamps. I'll set that aside. Let's do 4 since we did 3. Everything is so different. Washi tapes. 3 washi tapes. The Happy Plant Shop washi tapes. Her washi tapes are very high end, very top tier. You get what you pay for. You're paying for quality with Hubman Chubgirl. absolute quality. So they do ship directly from Canada. So, I mean, if you're in the US, don't be in a rush to get anything that you order from them. Okay. 6, box 6. Oh, wow. Acrylic shaker charm. The leaves are the shakers. Do y'all see that? The leaves inside there are the shakers. Wow. This would look really cute clipped on the binder. These gifts are so sophisticated. This would make a perfect, like, huge birthday gift to a stationery lover. 8. Oh, this is 1, so let's do 8. Belief in yourself. Look at this packaging. The packaging alone is worth the money. Oh. Monstera paper clips. Monstera, I guess this is a type of leaf. This is Hubman, this is Chubgirl. This is their family. And you can see them on YouTube. You can see them on their website. She has pictures of them. This is really nice. These are heavy duty paper clips. Everything is top tier. If you've never placed an order from Hubman Chubgirl, you definitely should. Number 1 says, let's grow. We have these very high quality vinyl stickers. Very high quality vinyl stickers. I'm not going to open these. You can pretty much tell what they are. I just kind of want to push through this calendar because I have so many other things to do today. Number 12 says, hang in there. Hang in there, love. Oh, socks. I forgot about the socks that were in this. Oh, man. How wonderful. Oh, these are very high quality socks. Very high quality. Everything is so high end with them. Oh, I love these. I think I'm wearing these tonight now that I've opened this finally. Look at the packaging. You got to keep the tags. Like, you can't throw anything away. You can't throw anything away. That just doesn't make sense. Number 10. Oh, as big as I've been into these plushie keychains, keep growing. Plant plush. Look at this. Very nice. As big as I've been into these plushie keychains. I love this. Very nice. Very nice. I'm very pleased. You're unbelievable. This is 11. I almost didn't catch where the number was. This is 11. We're going out of order, so it really didn't matter. Ah, more stickers. Keep growing. I can never have enough of her stickers. These are vinyl stickers. These are waterproof stickers printed on 3M paper. So 3 sheets. You can put these on your cups. I've already put a lot of her stickers on my Stanley cups, and they're still holding up since that video came out. So definitely worth it. 13. Look how pretty this packaging is. Everything is just so dainty. She has such a beautiful vision. Ah, cards and envelopes. Cards and envelopes. And you have the Hubman Chubgirl logo. Looks like you get 3. I think they're blank inside from what I remember. This is very high quality paper. I forgot that they were different. Your unbelievable belief in yourself. Just keep growing. Getting tongue-tied there. Yeah, this is heavyweight card paper, and it's got a matte textured finish. And then you have these very heavyweight envelopes. Now this is an advent calendar worth paying for. Hers is an advent calendar worth paying for. Number 2. Oh, it's a weekly planner. Love that. It's a weekly planner. You can keep on your desk. It's a desk pad planner. It's beautiful. Number 9, I hear a keychain. Yes. Oh, very heavy duty. I'd want to be careful where I put this just so it doesn't get messed up. Look at how heavy duty this is. Look at the quality of this. Wow. It's gorgeous. If you were giving these as gifts, I mean, these are just stunning gifts to give someone special. 14. I believe in you. Hubman Chubgirl. Oh, I forgot about this. Just one more plant. It's a bag. It's a reusable bag. Oh, I forgot all about that this was in there. Beautiful. Oh man, yeah, this is going in the car. So this will be added to my reusable bags that I keep in the car. And lastly, we'll open number 15, which I remember what this is. I'm very excited about it. It's a journal kept in this heavy duty box. I think that I'm going to go ahead and open it because I believe that it is could be dot grid, it could be blank. I think it's blank. It could be dot grid actually. I don't remember. So high quality. Everything is so high quality. Look at that. It's a dot grid bullet journal, even better. 160 dot grid pages, 115 GSM, lay flat binding. There's a pin loop, 2 bookmark ribbons, a back pocket, vegan leather cover. Here's the pin loop. Very nice weight paper. The bookmarks. Green, dark green, and light green. And this is the pocket. Hubman Chubgirl. I love the advent calendars because it gives you an opportunity to get a little bit of everything that she makes. Perfect. Let me set all this stuff out really pretty, or as neatly as I can, so we can see everything we got. Here's the chaotic beauty of everything we got in that one advent calendar. Everything is gorgeous. So, let me know your thoughts. I will be bringing you more advent calendars in the future. If I have time to purchase current advent calendars this year for 2026, I probably will, and do some unboxings in December if I have time, if I'm able to get them in time. I would really love the Sephora advent calendar that everyone was getting last year that I didn't even know existed. So stay tuned just in case I'm able to snag some of the advent calendars for 2026. But this was well worth its weight in gold. I'll see you in the next one.